Yeah, script. Let's do it. Ready to beat, mighty man of valor checking in. Ready to eat, no more salad past the venison. Give me a leash, you should analyze the kindling. See if it's breached, if it is, then let's begin. You not feeling me, it doesn't matter cause San Quentin when I'm spitting, how I stand behind my bars. You should quit it, all you kicking is your hammers and your cars. How naughty, I know who's nice, Santa Claus. Since December 25th, 1987, it's been a journey trying to hurry in and out of Hell's Kitchen. I worry cause the early birds say that hell's fiction. Scurry to my knees, pray for every Mel Gibson. Men of God that display your passion accurate. Every time the tablet meets the quail's friction. You might not get it, still listen. Tired of them whack rappers, why they still spittin'? Man, I'm tired, so tired. I have a slight minor head cold, so might not sound the same. I apologize for, taking so long getting back. Some of y'all been waiting. I believe that money doesn't make rank. You put your faith in it and everything you made sank. I trust the sun, the one who left the grave blank. So I trust, never will I chase bank. You young pups bark and you wild out, but I'm so deaf to your little bow wows. So I drop gems like Pow Wow. Y'all drop in like a powwow. Now how you gonna tell me that I'm not gifted? I spit it with my screws loose, but I'm not twisted. Hold on. Said I'm not twisted. Boy, scout me, see if you can half hit shit. Tired of you heinous crime rappers. Wonder why they hear you when they press rewind after. You would sound better if you spit them lines backwards. You would sound different if you didn't serve massa. Slave, I'm tired, man. So tired. Yo, shout out to SunTrust. East Point SunTrust. Inside Kroger. First things first, and I'm sick of your raps. You murder your cell keys, you burning your cell weed. Verses like hearses, I'm killing the track. You heard what I said, G, just call it a deadbeat. Excuse the yawn, I'm just nodding off. Refuse to fall, so I'm not involved. Cause if I ever fall asleep in here, the demons they release in airwaves will tear my noggin off. Mazel tov, since you're married to the game. Entertainers, they can blame us for carrying the name. At one point, I was one joint away from being shamed. As the Human Torch forever, call me Johnny with the flame on. But God sees all, that was common sense. Like a nosy neighbor watching from across the fence. So get your house in order, homie, do it. Cause he's Wilson, you won't see his face without home improvement. Yeah.